Welcome to Florida Man Investing. Welcome to our Friday video. We're going to be checking out some charts, looking at some cryptos, a couple NFTs, a couple stories. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're pretty much green across the board here on stocks. Everything's about a little over 1%, right at 1% green right now in stocks. And we switch over to looking at some crypto. We'll start here with Terra Luna Classic, which we did have a pretty good sell-off here. We did have a red 9 print, and we come back down. We're printing a couple red dots. We are trying to rebound a little bit. Just to let y'all know, we did take profits here. And there's nothing wrong with taking profits. We were up like 300%. So your average return on the stock market is something like 7%. So, I think we did pretty good with that trade. So we took profits, but still going to keep an eye on this because there's still plenty of opportunity in this here. And let's check out a couple other ones. We do have um, Shiba did print a buy signal on the 4-hour, and we have Algorand, which we're back up to 31 cents, and we printed a buy signal a little while ago, and right now we're shooting up. It looks like we're kind of leveling off a little bit here, right around resistance, around that 32 cents range. Cardano. We have not printed a buy signal yet. We did come up a little bit, but we're hitting resistance around that 50-cent mark. We do have Polygon Matic. We did print a buy signal here on the 4-hour. Nothing is printing a buy signal on the hourly yet. I mean the daily yet. Besides Terra Luna Classic, we're still working with that buy signal on the daily. Everything else has been the 4-hour is about the longest range. Check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we're working with a pretty big green candle here. We kind of shot up right here. But we're still under that sell signal, but we are about to meet it. So we did print that first green dot. All right, so, and this one still has potential. If you look at it, you have the MACD. We just crossed the TTM squeeze. We're still kind of working up on that. And we did have the SMI cross here. So we do have potential to go up a little more on this one, we feel. And Ethereum, we're looking about the same with Ethereum, about the same. Kind of looks the same as Bitcoin. How basically we haven't printed a buy signal yet. We're still working with the sell signal, but we're trying to come up to meet it. We're not as close to it as we are with Bitcoin. As you've seen, Bitcoin, we're pretty much already touching it. Where we do have Ethereum still down below it a little bit, but we do have Bitcoin printing that green dot here. So you see the difference between the two kind of right here. I know Ethereum has been leading the way, but it looks like Bitcoin's definitely coming up quite a bit right now. So, all right, so let's check out a couple of the stories. All right, well, let's start with this here. You got Binance confirms support for Terra Luna Classic tax burn. Now, the difference is it says support. They are supporting it, but they're not doing it when you go in to read into this a little bit. However, Binance still has not confirmed taxing Terra Luna Classic trading. So, this is kind of a almost clickbait article here because it seems like they're confirming it. They're not. It's some stuff still going on with Binance, and that's the bigger exchange. They were the ones that were holding the most amount of Luna probably. So just kind of watch out for this. I know, like I said, we just took profits. When you're up that much, it's and then one thing we noticed was a lot of the small YouTubers were talking about this. We really started getting some movement on it, and then the bigger YouTubers started talking about it, and that's kind of our opinion. It's kind of a sign of a top a little bit. So we did sell off right there because we do feel like we might come back down and test some support. Which, when you look at the charts, it wouldn't be a bad thing because it's just been shooting almost straight up. When you're getting a 300% return on something, people are bound to start taking profits. We stress taking profits because that's why we're doing this. We're doing this to make money, and that's something that you need to realize that things don't go up forever and they don't go down forever, unless the project's dead. And we don't think this is a dead project. We do think there's potential here. It's just there's times and places to take profit, and that's kind of what we're doing right now with this. And like I said, we might jump back in. We'll see how the charts look, but as of right now, we took our profits and we're happy with our return. All right, we got some other things going on. We do have the Ethereum merge, and we got the countdown up. We got the difficulty bomb countdown going on 4 days, 6 hours, and we have the mainnet countdown going on 5 days, 5 hours. So definitely watch this. We're looking that, a lot of people say it's going to be a, um, they're gonna maybe backtrack on this. I don't think it's gonna be so much buy the rumor, sell the news on this, because it is such a big deal with the amount of Ethereum that's going to be minted after this happens is going to be cut down so much. But that's kind of one everyone has their own opinion on. We're just watching it from, we've got a long hold on Ethereum. Our position on it. So we're just going to be holding out through most of this, just to kind of see, because we got a long-term, look for Ethereum. All right, we also got another great one, Cardano, and it's going to be doing the Vassal upgrade, and it's confirmed for September 22nd. There's always that time period that can bounce around a little bit when it comes to these. But this is another one that we've been watching and picking up some. We don't think that it's a bad price to be accumulating. Like I said, we were, hitting kind of resistance right there at that 50-cent mark. So we feel if you can get any underneath 50 cents, it's a good buy. And all right, this is another project we'd like to talk about. I'm going to switch over to NFTs here. We have Unbounded Earth. They're going to be doing their weapon mint on September 30th, and we just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the
Get ready to equip some new gear, Unbounded.
Just a little bit of the teasers that they have released. Let's see if we got the audio too here. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that.
Get ready to equip some new gear, Unbounded Earthlings. The exclusive Greco-Roman weapons mint kicks off on September 30th. With varying power levels and rarities, make sure you mint the right weapon for the job. Test your mettle at the Gladiator Royale. Magic, melee, or range. Mint your weapon of choice or try for all three. For the most updated news and information, follow us on Discord and Twitter.
So yeah, this is definitely a great project. We have had the land plots they've had out for a while. We have some of those. We got the alpha tablets that give you a discount. As you see, they've been giving them away on certain contests. We've been playing marbles on Twitch and stuff. So definitely give them a like, check them out, and they're always doing stuff with their community, which is super awesome. And so we support the Unbounded Earth team. We think they're doing a great job. So definitely give them a like and a follow. And let's switch over to our next one we want to talk about. That's actually minting today, which is the Trouble Cats. It's minting today. Definitely a great community. They've been, really cool about how they talk to their community and getting this out. And we just want to switch over here. Hold on 1 second here. We're going to go. So their website's really cool. They're up and running here. We are minting, and we do have, I believe right here, we do have a countdown. So we have a public mint in about 4 hours. They already done, I believe, the whitelist minting earlier today. So in 4 hours and 13 minutes, you'll be able to go and do the public mint. I've seen some people that have already have some listed on the JPEG store. So if you want to check them out just to kind of see kind of what the people are minting and stuff, they do have a couple listed there already if you just kind of want to scope that out. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Again, support the channel is great. Just we appreciate everyone that comes out and watches this. A lot of great things have been, a lot of good feedback's been coming back. So if there's anything you want us to cover or look at, don't hesitate to put a comment below. We'll definitely take a look. We would love to be putting up more charts and stuff and more timing on the buy and sell signals. But again, I'm still working a Web 0 job. So we try to fit this in at least every Friday for right now. We'll try to get up more content as we grow. All right, again, hit like, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time.